Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best jig for dowel joints that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Milescraft Joint Pro Professional Doweling Jig. The JETJ-WL1015VS stands out as an ideal choice for novice woodturners and experienced enthusiasts who need versatility in a compact package. You'll appreciate its 3 variable speed ranges from 200 to 3,600 RPM, controlled through an electronic system that eliminates manual bell changes. At 72.6 pounds, this cast iron lathe delivers impressive stability while remaining portable. The wider bedways support larger projects, and the 24-position indexing guarantees precise alignment. You'll find the 1/2 HP motor handles everything from pens to bowls effectively, while the live center keeps workpieces secure. With a 5-year warranty and consistently high user ratings, this benchtop lathe proves its worth in any workshop. Moving on, at number 4, we have the JET Variable Speed Woodworking Lathe. Equipped with 3 variable speed ranges from 60 to 3,600 RPM, JET's JWL1221VS Woodworking Lathe proves ideal for both novice turners and experienced craftsmen seeking versatility. You'll appreciate its 1 HP motor, innovative ratchet-style belt tension system, and smooth forward to reverse shift. The lathe's redesigned controls feature a larger digital readout and recessed power switch, while its 24 indexing positions and integrated spring-loaded spindle lock enhance precision. At 121 pounds, its heavy build minimizes vibration during operation. Though some users report occasional digital readout inaccuracies, the lathe's robust construction, straightforward setup, and reliable performance make it a solid investment backed by a 5-year warranty. At number 3, we have the WEN34035 6-amp 14-inch by 20-inch variable speed benchtop wood lathe. Built for versatility and precision, the WEN34035 benchtop wood lathe serves as an ideal choice for intermediate woodworkers seeking professional-grade features without breaking the bank. You'll appreciate its robust 6-amp motor that delivers variable speeds from 250 to 3,550 RPM, perfect for crafting everything from bowls to table legs. At 137.7 pounds, this sturdy machine minimizes vibration during operation, while its MT2 spindle and tailstock tapers guarantee compatibility with standard accessories. The lathe's lever clamping system allows quick adjustments, and you'll find the included tool holders particularly convenient. With a 2-year warranty and quiet operation, it's a reliable addition to your workshop. At number 2, we have the VEVOR Benchtop Wood Lathe 14X40IN. Boasting a versatile 0.5 HP motor with 4 speed settings up to 2,425 RPM, VEVOR's benchtop wood lathe offers professional-grade performance for both experienced craftsmen and DIY enthusiasts. You'll appreciate the robust construction featuring an aluminum alloy base and steel headstock that minimizes vibrations during operation. The 14 multiplied by 40-inch workspace gives you plenty of room for diverse projects, while the included accessories, a hex wrench, faceplate, and 3 chisels, help you get started right away. With adjustable speeds of 885, 1245, 1715, and 2,425 RPM, you can tackle various woodworking tasks with precision and efficiency. And finally, at number 1, we have the Winelli 3424 4.5 amp 12-inch by 18-inch 5-speed benchtop wood lathe. The Milescraft Joint Pro Professional Doweling Jig stands out for woodworkers who need precise, repeatable dowel joints. You'll appreciate its self-clamping design that secures both boards simultaneously while drilling up to 6 matching holes per setup. Built primarily from steel, this 3.78-pound jig accommodates 3 different dowel sizes through interchangeable hardened steel bushing blocks, 1/4, 5/16, and 3/8. While you'll need to purchase drill bits and stop collars separately, the jig's versatility shines in creating corner, edge, and surface joints. Just guarantee proper board orientation to avoid misalignment issues that some users have reported. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.